Class 9th, chapter number 8, Quadrilaterals, exercise 8.1. In this session, we'll solve two problems of this exercise 8.1. So let the question number 4 show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So it is given, let ABCD is a square, AC and BD are the diagonals which intersect each other at a point O. We have to prove these diagonals AC and BD are equal and they bisect each other at right angle. So for proving this, we take triangle ABC and the triangle BAD. In these two triangles, ABD and ABC. First of all, we have observed we are having these two triangles are on the same base AB. So first is in these two triangles AB is equal to AB, that is the common side, and angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. This angle A and this angle B are 90 degree, as this is given ABCD is a square. So in a square we have all angles are 90 degree. And the third thing is this side BC is equal to side AD, as sides of a square are equal. So we can say by SAS triangles are congruent. So we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Then we get by corresponding parts of congruent triangle, this side AC is equal to side BD. Now AC and BD are the diagonals of a square ABCD. So we can say diagonals of a square are equal. Now next thing we have to prove they bisect each other at right angle. That means diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. We have to prove now. So for this, we take the triangle this AOD and the triangle BOC. In these two triangles, we have as AD is parallel to BC and this AC is the transversal. So we can say alternate interior angles are equal. That is, this is the angle 1 and this is the angle number 3. So angle 1 and angle 3, these two angles are equal as they are the alternate interior angles when AD and BC are the two parallel lines and AC is the transversal. Also, this side AD is equal to side BC as they are the sides of square and they are equal. Again, we have AD and BC are parallel lines and this BD is the transversal. So we have alternate interior angles are equal, that is angle this one 2 is equal to this angle number 4. So angle 2 and angle 4, these two angles are equal as they are the alternate interior angles. Here we are getting angle, side and angle. So we can say the triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by angle side angle congruence rule. Now when the triangles are congruent, so other corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also equal. So we can say AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. So that meaning diagonals bisect each other. This is the next part which we have to prove. Now the next we have to prove they by diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Now here what we are getting, if AO and CO are equal, DO and OB are equal, that meaning O is the midpoint of AC and BD. So the diagonals of a square bisect each other. Now the last we have to prove the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. For proving this, now we take the triangle AOB and the triangle ODA. So these two triangles we have to take. Here in these two triangles, this side AB is equal to side AD as they are the sides of square, and this side OB is equal to side OD as proved in the previous part, and this side OA is common for the triangle AOB as well as for the triangle AOD. So by side congruence rule, triangle OBA is congruent to triangle ODA. Then we can write, if the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So angle AOB and angle AOD, these two angles are equal. Now we know that BD is a line and AO stands on it. So we get the two angles here which are the linear pair. So we can write angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Now as proved in this one part by CPCT, we have angle AOB and angle AOD are equal. So in place of AOD, we can write AOB. So twice of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So we get angle AOB is 180 by 2 is 90 degree. So here we are getting the angle AOB is 90 degree. That meaning angle AOD is also 90 degree. That is, we can say AC line segment is perpendicular to BD. Hence, by the equation number 1, 2 and this one 3, we get the diagonals AC and BD of a square are equal, bisect each other at right angle. So it's proved that diagonals of a square are equal, bisect each other at 90 degree. Now let's talk about the question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Remember, diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then we have to prove given quadrilateral is a square. So as we have given, this ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC and BD are the diagonals and they are equal and intersect each other at O, that is intersect each other at right angle, and also they bisect each other, that is AO is equal to CO, OD is equal to OB. That meaning O is the midpoint of the AC and BD. Now we have to prove ABCD is a square. So for proving this, we take the triangle AOD and the triangle AOB. These two adjacent triangles we are taking, and we will prove these two triangles are congruent. How it is? This line AO is common for both the triangles. OD and OB are given equal, and angle AOD and angle AOB is given 90 degree. So by SAS congruence rule, the triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. So we can say the side AD is equal to side AB by the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So we get these two adjacent sides are equal. Similarly, when we take the triangle AOB and the triangle BOC, as we proved in the earlier part, AOB triangle is congruent to triangle BOC. So we get AB is equal to BC by the CPCT. Again, these two adjacent sides are equal. This is the equation number 2. Now we take the triangle BOC and triangle COD. In these two triangles also we can prove the triangles are congruent. So by the corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we get BC is equal to CD. So here again these two adjacent sides are equal. Then last, we prove that triangle COD and AOD are also congruent. That meaning CD is equal to AD. So here the equation 2, 3 and 4, and earlier we got the equation number 1. So by all these 4 equations we get AB is equal to BC, this BC is equal to CD, this CD is equal to DA. That meaning the given quadrilateral having all 4 sides are equal. Now we have to prove now these 4 sides are equal, then it will be a square. For proving this, we take triangle AOD and triangle COB. These two opposite triangles we are taking. In these two triangles, AO and OC are equal, OD and OB are equal, and angle AOD is equal to angle COB as they are the vertically opposite angles. So we can say the triangle AOD and the triangle BOC, these two triangles are congruent. And if the triangles are congruent, so we can say this angle 1 is equal to angle 2 as the corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is denoted by angle 1 and angle 2. Now these two angles are the pair of alternate angles. Now when the two lines intersected by a transversal and pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So we get this line AD is parallel to the line BC. So again we get by the triangle AOB and triangle COD, if we take these two triangles and we prove these two triangles are congruent, then again we get the triangle DCO is equal to angle DCO is equal to angle BAO. That meaning this angle and this angle are equal. So these two triangles again they are congruent. So we get AB is parallel to DC. So here we get ABCD is a quadrilateral where all 4 sides are all equal and pair of opposite sides are parallel. So it is remaining part of this that we have to prove this is a square. So by the property of a square we know that angles of a square are 90 degree. So now we have to prove these angles are 90 degree. So for proving this, we take the two triangles, triangle ABC and the triangle BAD, where the base is common for both the triangles. So we can say AC, this side AC and BD is given equal, BC and AD. This is proved previously that these two sides are equal, and AB is the common side for both the triangles. So triangle ABC and triangle ABD, these two triangles are also congruent by side congruence rule. And angle ABC, this angle B and this angle A, both are equal as the triangles are congruent. So by the corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say angle ABC is equal to angle BAD, and since AD is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. Now this line AD and line BC, these two lines are parallel, and this line AB is a transversal. So we know that angle on the same side of a transversals are supplementary. So we can write angle A plus this angle B are equal to 180 degree, and as angle ABC and angle BAD are equal, so we can put the value of angle BAD as angle ABC. So twice of angle ABC is equal to 180, and then angle ABC we get 90 degree. That is, the rhombus is having angle equal to 90 degree. Thus ABCD is a square. Hence proved If the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square.